Need some cool new ways to get your room organized? Don't forget about your jewelry. Jewelry boxes are a great way to store your precious gems and accessories, making sure they never get lost or damaged. Here is 15 jewelry storage ideas. 1. 4-tier jewelry organizer box tower. 360-degree rotatable design, easy access to all your jewelry, and small beauty accessories. Great decoration for home, makes the desk more artistic. 2. Synthetic leather huge jewelry. Attractive appearance with white faux leather surface and soft velvet lining inside, large enough to hold your watches, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, hairpins, brooches, and other jewelry. 3. Handmade rustic jewelry organizers. Organizer set is the perfect way to showcase the true beauty of all of our jewelry, as well as decorating your home with a great art piece. With hooks for necklaces, along with a bar under the shelf, great for bracelets, earrings, and headbands. 4. Vlando Jewelry Box. Made from durable synthetic leather and a velvet lining, the City Beauty will keep your jewelry organized and ready to wear. 5. Wall door mounted jewelry organizer. You can mount the jewelry cabinet on the wall with included screws and paper for drilling holes to save floor space. Also, 3 adjustable heights available when hanging the jewelry organizer over the door with hooks, which will not sway when opening the door. 6. Stackable jewelry trays closet dresser drawer organizer. With multiple compartments of different sizes, this set of organization trays is designed to perfectly hold a collection of jewelry, accessories, and other knickknacks. These trays can be easily split up, combined, or stacked to meet a wide variety of usage scenarios. 7. 8-layer large jewelry case. No more hunting through the dresser to find your necklace or earrings. With all your jewels organized in this 8-layer jewelry box, now you can enjoy a new, peaceful, and glorious moments for yourself. 8. Wooden jewelry box. Made from durable synthetic leather and a velvet lining, the Pandora has a unique style concealing all your accessories. 9. Jewelry tree stand organizer. Made of strong metal with a black powder coating finish, which is anti-rust and beautiful, elegant and fashion design suits any room decor. Also perfect for jewelry organization or professional display in retail stores or trade shows. 10. Stackable velvet jewelry trays organizer. Made of high-quality velvet and composite boards, the organizer trays are soft to the touch and elegant in appearance, protecting your jewelry from any kind of damage. 11. Velvet jewelry organizer. Rectangle jewelry box with dividers. The various compartments keep your jewelry away from mess up. Easily store different sizes of jewelry, even necklace, bangle, big earrings like the hoop. 12. Jewelry cabinet 360 rotating. The design of wall-mounted makes it possible to be placed anywhere. Compared to heavy burden cabinet, jewelry cabinet can save lots of space. 13. 20-section girls jewelry box. This jewelry case is made of high-quality faux leather cover that is easy to clean by wet cloth, environmental MDF, soft velvet lining to prevent your jewelry from scratching and being marred. 14. Travel jewelry organizer box. Classic trendy design with high-grade leaf rib leather exterior, bead velvet cushion interior, and anti-acid lock hardware, making the jewelry box a long-lasting treasure keeper as treasure itself. 15. Jewelry box 8-watch display case organizer. Elaborate appearance and convenient design, the watch box organizer is good for personal use, store displays. It's also best gift for your family, friend, colleagues, and other people in your life.